What if the smallest flying camera in DJI's lineup was suddenly powerful enough to challenge much bigger drones? Rumors are building around an upcoming DJI Neo 3. And if these spec leaks are accurate, this palm-sized camera could become the ultimate travel tool for creators. DJI's Neo lineup has always been about pure simplicity. Take it out of your pocket, launch it from your palm, and capture effortless 4K social content without lugging around a massive controller. But while beginners loved the form factor, advanced creators wanted more image quality and better flight specs. Early reports and community chatter surrounding the DJI Neo 3 suggest DJI might be addressing those exact requests, transforming their smallest aircraft into a capable creative tool. The most talked about rumor is a sensor upgrade. Upgrading from the standard half-an-inch class sensor allows significantly more light capture, translating directly to cleaner low-light performance, reduced noise during dusk, night, or indoor shoots, expanded dynamic range, better detail preservation across highlights and deep shadows, 10-bit D-Log M color support, allowing colorists to push footage further without image degradation, making it easier to match Neo 3 clips with larger DJI platforms like the Mini 4 Pro or Air series. Compact drones have historically suffered from short flight times due to strict weight budgets. Leaked estimates suggest the Neo 3 could push battery life up to 24 minutes per charge, while larger folding drones boast 30-plus minute flight windows. Pushing past 20 minutes on an ultralight, guarded propeller design gives creators significantly more margin for error, complex tracking runs, and multi-take vlogs on a single pack. Safety and signal reliability are two other core areas targeted in early leaks. Tridirectional obstacle sensing, expanding beyond basic downward positioning to help prevent accidental crashes during autonomous follow-me tracking or indoor maneuvers. 04 video transmission integration, upgrading transmission stability up to a theoretical 10 kilometers range in open conditions. Even if you never fly that far, stronger transmission means fewer signal drops in dense urban or forest environments. With competitors pushing automated travel cameras hard, DJI's advantage remains its mature software ecosystem and active tracking reliability. If DJI can deliver these hardware bumps while keeping the price accessible for entry-level buyers, the Neo 3 could dominate the palm launch travel category. Which feature would make you upgrade? The camera sensor, longer flight time, or obstacle sensing? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest hardware breakdowns.